Hey guys, it's Mimi Lee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY clear and glitter slime. I love these recipes so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. So let's start off by making the clear slime. For this, you'll be needing some clear glue, and I was really happy to see that they sell clear glue just for making slime, and I thought that was pretty cool. You'll also be needing a bowl and something to mix with, as well as your activator. Today I'm using a borax solution, which is 1 cup of hot water with half a teaspoon of borax melted and dissolved in it. Make sure it's fully dissolved, otherwise your slime will turn out clumpy and stiff and it's not fun to play with. First off, add in your desired amount of glue. Now this is completely optional, but I'm going to add in a couple pumps of hand soap. This is the peach mango one, which I found at Michael's in the dollar bin for $1. And I like using scented soaps because they scent my slimes. And this is a really amazing, sweet smelling soap. Now you want to add in the same amount of water as your glue and then give that a really good stir, but stir slowly so you won't create too many air bubbles, so it won't take too long for your slime to turn completely clear. Now I'm going to add in a few drops of food dye, and this is optional. Now we're going to start activating our slime. I'm going to be doing this with a teaspoon just so I make sure I'm not going to put in too much, because if you put in too much, your slime will become hard and stiff and you won't be able to stretch it or poke it. And so just be very, very careful with this step and mix a lot and add in a little. So my slime has stopped sticking to the sides of the bowl, so I'm just going to take it out and begin kneading it, just adding in a little more if it's sticky. Now this is also completely optional, but I'm just going to be adding in a little bit of baby oil, and this will help it make it less sticky and more stretchy. So here's my slime. It's really stretchy. So I know I did a video on this a while back. In my testing viral slimes video, I included a 2-ingredient DIY glitter slime using the Elmer's Classic Glitter Glue. But today I'm going to do it again, and I got this turquoise one, and I think it's so beautiful. Like, the camera doesn't do the glitter justice. It is so incredibly pretty, and I thought this was a really cool DIY to include. So you're going to need that glue, as well as a bowl and something to mix with, and then your borax solution from earlier, which is just a cup of water and half a teaspoon of borax. Start off by pouring your desired amount of glue in your bowl, and you want to add the same amount of water as glue. So now just give your glue water, mix a good stir, and I thought this was really pretty because it has these gold to green iridescent glitters in it, and I wanted to include that because I thought it was really nice. And now you just want to activate it. Just like last time, I'm using the teaspoon to control how much borax I put in, and you don't need a lot of borax, just keep on mixing, and once it starts not sticking to the sides of the bowl, take it out and knead.